Hi there, Missy from missygoesboating.com. While the boat's out of the water, I thought I would do a little cosmetic upgrade. The boat has a gold stripe on it, which was pretty standard in 2007, but it's a little outdated, the color, and it's actually peeling off, and it's not, as we say, Navigator worthy. Our logo is black and silver, so I'm having the entire stripe removed and replaced with a shiny silver stripe. So stay tuned for the results. As you can see, the gold stripe is tired and desperately needs a refresh. If you have the patience and a steady hand, this could be a DIY project. I, however, chose to hire a professional, and I've put the company's contact information below with a link to their website. The first step is to remove the old boot stripe. This can be done by warming the old stripe with a heat gun or a hairdryer. This loosens the adhesive and makes it much easier to remove. You can use a plastic scraper to avoid damaging the boat's surface. This hull is 60 feet and it took a couple of hours to remove the stripe. After the stripe has been removed, clean the surface with an adhesive remover or acetone, and that will get rid of the sticky residue. Then wipe it down with soap and water to ensure that it's spotless. Use masking tape to mark a straight line for your new stripe, and double check your measurements. You want it very even and sharp. Now you're ready to apply the new vinyl strip. Peel off the backing as you carefully apply the strip, smoothing it down with a squeegee to avoid bubbles or wrinkles. Take your time because patience pays off. Trim any excess vinyl with a sharp blade. Once it's installed, you can apply a coat of wax to keep it looking fabulous. All right, this is a moment we've been waiting for. The gold is gone. The silver is in. I'm here with Ray from SRC Signs. Tell us a little bit about how amazing this is.
Well, it's actually a quick job. It's a quick fix to replace your boat stripes. It's marine grade vinyl, so it actually lasts up to 10 years. And if you want to brighten up your boat, if it looks a little ratty-tatty,
I'm going to flash the before and afters many times because this looks beautiful, but when you see what was here before, it was very, very tired from 2007. Can I ask you, what's the maintenance? I can wash it, pressure wash it.
treat it like the car.
Do I wax it?
You can.
Well, I'm so excited. Thank you very much.
Just don't wax your boat before you're going to change your stripe.
Yes. I have that in the directions that we're doing below. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the water.